Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Mir Humphrey Lansingwala and I am a student of Rehan AI Teacher Training Institute Batch 22. Today we have a very special topic of TED Talk review, Teaching with the Brain in Mind by Dr. Jyoti Billes. Great teaching is not about forcing information into the brain, it's about understanding how the brain naturally learns. In this powerful TED Talk style, Dr. Jyoti Billes explains how modern brain science can completely transform the way teachers teach and students learn. As both a neurologist and classroom teacher, she combines science with real classroom experience to show that students learn best when teaching matches how the brain actually works. So, first of all, education is often focused on memorization, grades, and pressure. But Dr. Judy Willis asks an important question: what if students fail not because they are weak, but because we teach in ways the brain does not naturally learn? This talk explores how emotion, stress, curiosity, movement, and connection directly affect learning. She explains that understanding the brain can help teachers create classrooms where students feel safe, motivated, and excited to learn. The central idea of this TED Talk: the brain learns best when students feel emotionally self, actively engaged, and personally connected to learning. Dr. Judy Willis believes that teaching should not only focus on delivering information but also on activating the brain natural learning systems. When students are stressed or afraid, the brain blocks learning, but when students are curious and emotionally involved, learning becomes stronger and long lasting. One of the most important points in this TED Talk is the fear of stress and shut down the brain's learning ability. Dr. Willis explains that when students feel anxious, embarrassed, or pressured, the brain goes into survival mode. In this state, students struggle to focus, understand, or remember information. Example of classroom stress: fear of failure, harsh criticisms, public embarrassment, too much pressure. Her message is students learn better when they feel safe and respected. The talk highlights how emotions play a major role in memory and understanding. When lessons are connected to stories, humor, excitement, or real life experiences, the brain pays more attention and stores information more effectively. This means fun learning, stronger memory, emotional connection, deeper understanding, curiosity, better focus. Teacher who create joyful classrooms help students remember lessons for a longer time. Dr. Judy Willis explains that the brain naturally searches for meaning and patterns. The student understand lessons more deeply when teachers connect to topics to real life, use examples and stories, relate learning to student experiences. Instead of memorizing facts without purpose, students should understand why something matters. Meaningful learning becomes memorable learning. Another fantastic point from the talk is the is that movement helps the brain stay active. Sitting silently for long periods reduces focus and energy. Short breaks, classroom activities, and movement increase attention and improve mood. Example: group activities, standing discussion, brain breaks, and interactive learning games. This show that learning is not just mental; it's physical too. Dr. Willis reminds us that students are not machines. Every child has a unique brain, learning speed, and style. Some students learn visually, some through listening, some through practice. A good teacher adapts teaching methods instead of expecting every student to learn the same way. This idea promotes patience, creativity, and understanding in education. This talk is powerful because it combines science, education, human emotions. Dr. Judy Willis does not blame a student for struggling. Instead, she encourages teachers to rethink traditional teaching methods and build classrooms that support the brain naturally learning process. Her ideas are practical, positive, and inspiring for teachers, students, parents, education leaders. So I highly appreciated to this TED talk, and also and also, after watching this TED Talk, we understand that students need emotional support to learn well. Stress reduces focus and memory, fun and curiosity improve learning. Every student learn differently. Great teachers inspired brains, not just classroom. This TED Talk changed the way I think about education. It teaches us that learning become powerful when teacher understand how the brain truly works. Final review: teaching with the brain in mind is inspiring, and I have opinion that talk style that every teacher and student should watch. Dr. Judy Willis beautifully explains how can improve education and help students success with confidence and joy. Her message encourages teachers to create classrooms filled with safety, creativity, curiosity, and emotional connections. This talk is remind us the best teacher do more than teach lessons. They understand mind's emotional and human potential. So thank you so much everyone for watching this my TED Talk review. मिलते हैं अगले TED Talk में. So Allah Hafiz everyone.